Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are fixing the wiper linkage issue in my Opel. This one is completely loose, so only this one works. And it's a typical problem with this plastic caps fails. One is actually missing. I've tried fixing it earlier but it didn't work. So I got myself a new cheap wiper linkage kit from Autodoc. It's Ridex brand, so it's the cheapest one they have. And to get to change this, you have to remove this trim. Take these nuts off and remove the wiper blades, and then remove the plastic piece in order to access this. So I will show you more in a bit. These are 13 mils. And I need to get an extender. No, I don't. It's already loose, but I need to get an extender to get maybe the one. No, actually this socket doesn't fit there. I'm gonna change, but yeah, you get the idea. I'm using this wiper blade puller, wiper arm puller, specifically too for this thing. It was cheap. Yeah, but yeah, I need two hands. Just pop it there and squeeze. Just like that. This one was loose because I already took them once off to diagnose the problem. And didn't bother to put it back properly. Especially this one that didn't work. And you could also mark the location of the wiper arms in order to get them aligned correctly. But in my case, it wasn't perfect already, and I had to replace the wheel seal, so it doesn't really matter. This one type. I need both hands, but yeah, you get the idea. Alright, well, I get this loose. This car has 300,000 kilometers, so, and still has the original windshield. And it seems that this, I'll show you inside. This is, I can pull out. This this groove sits in this this groove. This inner groove sits here, and it actually just needs to be lifted up. I didn't know. I tried to push it down, but yeah, it needs to go up just in case you didn't know. Now I know, and now you can see the wiper linkage here. As you can see, this is completely off. And what I need to do is just remove these 1, 2, 3, 1, I'm sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, no, actually, I need to remove this this nut from the motor, and this one and this one. And these two screws. So then I should be able to remove this. And while I'm here, I need to also clean this all the dirt from here. I'm gonna get vacuum cleaner. And looks like my air filter, it's not new anymore, but there's only 10,000 Ks on it. Not need, no, 5,000. So I just need to clean it with a compressed air. Alright, I got screws removed, and let's see if I get this off. just something else I need to disconnect first. It seems that I might need to probably remove the whole thing, whole unit. Yeah, so I need to take these two T8 screws as well, and remove the whole assemble of the. Here. The reason I didn't remove the whole trim, just let it sit here, because I didn't want to disconnect this washer. So let's see if I can get this off with one hand. And both hands for it. Alright, I guess you know, you need to lift this, connect and pull it at the same time in order to get loose. It seems that this is just held into up by pressure, so I guess I need to use a bit force to get it loose. It just needs a little force. I have to once the hammer and keep holding this and get it off. I can see you got the correct spare part. It's always fun to compare at this point. These cheaper parts aren't always exactly the same, and it looks like the length is the same, connectors look like same. So I guess we're good to go. I need just put it back together and put it back to car. I'll show you in a bit more. Alright, I got this most of dirt. Obviously there was lots of dirt. And I already fitted the motor and this connector, and now I'm just gonna put the wiper mechanism there. The tricky part is to get it aligned correctly, because I need to check the first video to see how I should align this in order to get it the right angle. And that I need to check before putting the connect back to the motor tight, because otherwise the wipers are going to turn into the wrong direction. Yeah, I need both hands to put it on the place. Alright, so I got it. I checked my first video, earlier video, and checked that this linkage was in this angle. I mean, makes a bit hard to fit the nut down there. Got a bit of fiddle, but I get all the screws started. That's just loose, and I'm gonna tighten them and try to figure out how to put the nut. I can show. There. That's the place where I need to put the nut, so I won't be able to use my handle and the power tools, but we'll see. Alright, well, I was trying to put this nut on, and I had to realize that I need to do it on a bench, because this connects to motor. I need to see if there's something somewhere I can push or something to make this motor stop spinning, because now it's spinning and I can't put the nut on because it just spins the motor, and without putting the nut properly this won't be moving the wiper blades if I don't get this all the way down. So yeah, I need to figure out, because there's some spot there. Maybe that will stop it from spinning, but yeah, I need to check it. So I end up cleaning the threads by putting the nut on for a few times with impact wrench and putting some W4 in there. So now it should be finger tight. I now just be able to tie it with my fingers. I'm hoping that it didn't turn to mechanism here too much. I hope I didn't turn the mechanism. Maybe I need to connect. I guess what I can do is probably yeah. Okay, bubbling. Okay, before I'm attaching anything to this mechanism, I'm gonna add this to motor and put the power on, put the wipers on for one, so it will reset where it should be, and then I can return with all the other stuff, pull it back in, and now I can tighten the nut because it's not that tight anymore. It moves freely, so it should work. I hope so. All right, I put power on the car and cycled wipers 1-2 times, so now it should be reset to where it's supposed to be. Now I need to make sure that I get the angle correct before fitting. I'm going to put it loosely in and then attach everything, and hopefully it will be in correct position. Then I get the nut put on. I used my impact on it. I'm just going to put this screws back in and need to turn the correct position. Yeah, goes work way, yeah. Yeah, so now I can fit this back in, and I'm hoping that everything should align this time much better. Now I kind of understand why they also sell this whole mechanism with this motor attached, because it's a bit of a trying to figure out what the correct angle is. But yeah, now I can just put in the screws and test with the blade and see does it work or not. Alright, so I got those 4 screws put in, but yeah, I forget to put this connector in there. Now that's also plugged in. I got one wiper arm there. I don't have any nut or anything, just fit it loose and see does it really work, so, or is the position correct. And the moment of truth. Now, well, I need to put a nut, otherwise it won't move. Alright, let's try again. I get a nut. It's just finger tight, hoping it will hold it. And the moment of truth. No, it's not correct. Alright. Well, fail. I need to take nut off and then this mechanism around and figure out what is the correct way to put it. Great. Alright, so after a bit of trial and error, I gotta figure out this is what it actually needs to look like. And now when I put the wipers on, yeah, the blade arm is in set properly, but I need to remove it anyway. So yeah, I'll put it a bit higher so it will go all the way up here like it's supposed to be. Just put the plastic plastic back and all the streams back and the cigar drum as well, so then it should be done. Alright, I guess all set up and it's ready to go. But I decided that because these wiper arms are a bit rusty, I can't focus there. Anyway, as you can see, they are rusty, so I'm just going to clean it up with a wire brush and give a quick coat of hammer on black paint, and then drive all night and then put it on, so it looks nice and fresh. Alright, the paint has dried. Next thing is mount these wiper arms in correct position. Alright, after a couple of tries, I got it working and got the right angle. And now the rest is up just to put these caps on and call it done. Gonna plug these caps on like so and so. It's done. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.